Hi guys, this is DT Tarot. Magkakaroon tayo ng tarot reading for this month of December para sa ating mga Cancer babies. So, this applies for Sun, Moon, and Rising signs na may sign ng Cancer. So, yung topic pala about sa kapalaran nyo, love life for this December. Okay. I forgot. Sorry. Let's start na. So, let's see. Meron tayong Three of Pentacles. Meron tayong Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Ang ganda. Tapos, kuha pa tayo. Wait lang. Alam to. Okay. So, meron tayong Page of Swords. As Ten of Wands. Okay, kuha pa tayo. Ito, umali siya. Knight of Pentacles. Ayun, wait. Umano siya. Ang bilis. Strength. Wapa tayo. Okay. Umano siya. What's this? So, meron tayong Death card. Okay. Last but not the least, para sa tarot card section. Wala. Kaya ko lang, sorry. Ayan. Chariot. Okay, tingnan ko muna yung overall energy na to, or kung ano yung ating makuhang insights para sa inyo, Cancer. Page 10 9 okay. So, start tayo dito sa Three of Pentacles, guys. So, dito, ang Three of Pentacles, it represents coordination, teamwork, with your co-workers. So, pwede nating sabihin na yung inyong person of interest or yung magkakagusto sa inyo ay most likely isa sa mga co-workers nyo, or baka yung isang co-worker nyo ay mag-introduce ng friend nila sa inyo na kung sino yung magugustuhan nyo sila. Ganon. Tapos, Nine of Pentacles. Ayan, magandang card yan. So, generally, it talks about money, abundance in money. But since this is about love, so we can interpret na abundant din kayo sa love on how much you are abundant sa pera. Or sa madaling sabihin, parang marami na nga kayong pera, marami pa kayong sabihin natin love, either sa sarili, or ang dami nyo natatanggap na love sa friends, family, ganun, or if you have to your romantic partner, ayan, pakaswerte nyo naman. Tapos, Page of Swords, hindi kayong natatakot na alam niyo yun, gawin yung mga ideas na gusto nyong gawin. Ayan. Talagang, mag-i-step up kayo para maumpisan yung mga yan. Though, may mararanasan tayong, or may times na medyo mababurden tayo during the process, or parang let's see, hirap na hirap kayo, bagot na bagot, and parang ang tagal ng situation na yun. So hindi ko lang kung ano yung binabalak niyong gawin, kung saan parang medyo magtatagal kayo at medyo mahihirapan. Hindi ko sure, or kung may sinusuyo kayo guys, ganyan. Parang ganon, parang may sinusuyo kayo na parang medyo mabagal, slow moving, tapos nahihirapan pa kayo in the process. Pero rest assured, may strength card tayo dito na kung saan hindi kayo mawawala ng lakas ng loob kahit ganun pa yung nangyayari sa inyo, kasi alam nyo matatapos din yun. Ito nga, may death card tayo. So magbabago ang lahat ng yun, or matatapos lahat ng paghihirap nyo. It's a beginning of a new cycle, rebirth kung sabihin natin. Tapos ayan, that's the time na parang tuloy-tuloy, wala nang obstacle, wala nang balakid, wala nang ano ba yung word, humahad lang sa inyo. Dire-diretso lang kayo sa goal nyo. Kung ano man yung goal na yun, or or let's say it's a person of interest that you are interested with, or person of interest na, ano ba yan? Sorry sa word, nalilito na rin ako. So, pero ayun nga, ika nga, person of interest, yung pinaka main goal nyo. So parang dadaan muna kayo sa lahat ng to, sa challenges, mabagal na challenges, but rest assured, just be optimistic, stay positive, don't lose hope, have strength, be determined. Cancer, and all of it, or all of those suffering challenges will change, and it will be an easy way to your goal now. So parang ganon, nasa hirap ang umpisa, tapos nasa ginhawa ang kayo. Kasi naman yung nasa ginhawa yung umpisa, tapos mahirapan naman tayo sa huli, diba? Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng additional confirmation para mas lalo tayo malinawan kung ano yung masasabi sa love life nyo this December, Cancer babies. Let's see. But then again, I can see na pwede natin yung sabihin na ito ay resources nyo during the time of your challenges. Parang fully equipped naman kayo. Kasi hindi naman kayo sasabak sa yela na wala kayong armas, diba? Or, ayun nga, parang okay, stop na. Basta nakuha niyo yung point. Okay, so meron tayong I am about to focus. Coyote spirit, trust in divine detours. Ayan, pwede natin masabi during the time of the Ten of Wands and Knight of Pentacles yan. Pwede siya mag-apply doon. Na talagang mananalig lang kayo. Na kahit may detours man, it will all end up in achieving your goals. So, hindi naman sa masasabi natin shortcut. Pero, parang there's other, or may ibang mga daan na kung saan kapag tinake natin, ganun pa yung mapupuntahan natin in the end. So, trust lang kung malihis kayo guys, Cancer, it will all end up on the same spot, or in the same space. Ayan, and ito. So, meron tayo truth, ay mali, dragonfly spirit, truth transcends illusion. Okay. So, ayun nga, in any case na maligaw man kayo or nawala kayo sa kinaroroonan nyo, rest assured, Cancer, truth will always show up in front of you. And truth ascends illusion. So, medyo vague pa. Pero, kuha pa tayo ng additional confirmation dito. Tapos, saka natin ipag-connect. Medyo magulo eh. Sorry guys, ha? Pero, I'll do my best na para i-explain sa inyo. Medyo mysterious. Masasabi natin mysterious. Nangyayari. Ito. Oh. So, we have nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. Tapos, meron tayo it's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. Okay, so yung nothing is yet set in stone, pwede natin siyang sabihin during the part of that you're on the challenge nga, or you're on the time of suffering, or time ng pagsusuyo, ika nga. Kasi tapos ito pa, death. So walang fix na spot, or ano bang word yun? So ayun, I'm sorry. So hindi lagi na magsasuffer kayo in the end. Everything will change, everything will start anew. Kaya trust in the process, Cancer, na all those challenges or suffering that you have experienced, it will be rewarded in the end. Tapos, it's time to release negativity. Ayan. So, mga Cancer, alam ko napaka-emotional nyo. Mabilis kayong ma-depress or maapektuhan or sensitive kung sasabihin. So, in any case na nakakaramdam kayo ng negativity or napanghihinaan kayo ng loob, something like that, just stop or take a pause, take a breath, and release all those negative energy. Kasi, persistent din naman tayo. So, kahit we are experiencing some negative energy or outcome, we still have the strength to step up and to move forward. So, parang, let's say, i-connect natin. So, ayun nga, meron kayong idea, or let's say, may person kayong gustong-gusto nyo, tapos parang sila naman ay parang ayaw sa inyo, or pinapahirapan kayo. Or parang mixed signals ba, ika nga, napapa-overthink kayo malala. Rest assured, trust in the divine detours, and truth will transcend. So parang yung parang pinapaikot-ikot na kayo, guys. Manalig lang kayo. Lilitaw din yung katotohanan niya. Or you will able to find the truth along all those mix-ups and cover-ups, guys. And you will able to attain rebirth, change, and able to, ayun nga, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Mapupunta kayo sa inyong pinarorokan or sa gusto nyong mangyari. So, let's get additional confirmation dito para sa inyo, Cancer. Uy, ilan to? Rejection. Okay, so lumabas to sa inyo. Though it's hard to say bakit may ganitong card. Most likely sa love life niya. Bakit may rejection? Mali-reject ba tayo? Or mali-reject ba kayo, Cancer? Pero meron tayo na to. Okay, mag-alala. Wait lang. Meron tayong magic and faith. Anyways. So, ayan, Cancer. So, parang may time na, ayun nga, may time na parang napanghihinaan kayo ng loob. You fear rejection. Kasi parang masyado nga nagiging negative yung inyong mindset. Remember, release it. Take a breath, or take a pause and take a breath. Have your mind cleared, and rest assured, meron tayo nitong dalawang card. Faith and magic. So, just be faithful or have faith na everything will works out and something magical will happen as well. Yan. Parang it's a surprise na hindi nyo expect na mangyayari, which is on your favor naman. Yan. So, don't fear rejection or don't think of rejection, guys. Everything will go according to let's say to your faith. Yeah. Tapos, let's get some additional or last but not the least para sa oracle deck. Ilan ito? Dami naman. Ulit. Rapid energy siguro yan. Kasi talagang overthinker nyo, guys. Just take it slow. And kung nahihirapan na kayo, ayun nga. Sorry. Hindi mo samang mag-pause muna or take a breather. Kung nahihirapan na kayong habulin yung or hindi mo sa habulin. Parang nawawala na kayo ng pag-asa maging kayo ng person of interest. Or talagang pinapahirapan kayo. Pinasisikot-sikot kayo. Pinaliligoy-ligoy kayo. Just think of it as a challenge nila para sa inyo, Cancer. Pwede rin natin masabing tinetest nila ang faith nyo para sa kanila. Ayan. So, we have imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light. Hindi ko mabasa. Creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Ayan. So, that sums it up. Huwag tayong maging masyadong nega, Cancer babies. Isipin nyo lahat ng mga negativity na yun, dissolving into light, or take time to have those negativity to be released. And yun yung time na makiklear up ang inyong mind, inyong pag-iisip, and you will able to see opportunities and possibilities na mangyari. Sabi nga natin, nothing is yet set in stone. So, kung parang may nakikita na kayo na, ayun nga, parang, naku, parang ayaw na sa akin kasi parang pinapahirapan na nga ako. Don't think of it that way. So, kung ganyan nga yung nakikita nyo, no, that's not the outcome. Or nothing is yet in stone. Hindi yung mismong resulta na mangyayari. Just parang, ayun nga, sabi natin, take it as a challenge, or they are just challenging you, Cancer. So, they're challenging your faith. Just have faith. And kung nahihirapan na nga kayo, or parang gusto nyo nga sumuko, take time, pause, stop, ulit ako, sorry. It's just, yun yung nakikita ko sa inyo. Kasi parang napanghinaan nga kayo ng loob. Ayun, just trust in the process, and I can see that there's something unexpected or magical will happen in your favor. Parang ito nga, Chariot, plus magic. Everything will go smoothly on your way. Kasi ito pa, Dragonfly Spirit. Lalabas ng katotohanan. Tapos kung maligaw man kayo or parang napapaisip kayo kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa nyo, rest assured, pwede mo na kayong tumigil, pag-isipan ng situation, and malalaman nyo din yung katotohanan. Ayan. And, ito, death. Yung death card na. Hindi rin yun yung forever na mangyayari sa inyo. Everything will change. Everything will start anew. So, pwede rin natin sabihin na magbago isip ni person of interest nyo or nakitaan na napaka-faithful nyo naman, napaka-persistent, let's say, ayun nga, hardworking, na talagang sinuyo niya sila. Ayan, that's the time that they will open up to you and something magical will happen. Okay, so, ayun ang aking nakikita para sa inyo, Cancer babies. And, before we set this up, okay, prominent zodiac sign dito ay Cancer. So, ayun nga, talagang umaano ang Cancer para sa inyong reading. And, ano ang death? Scorpio. Okay. Water signs, both water signs. And, we have strength. So, ang strength ay Leo. So, meron nga din tayong Scorpio. So, nakikita kong ang Scorpio and Cancer sa inyo. Either ang person of interest nyo ay may ganong zodiac sign sa kanilang sun, moon, and rising, or vice versa, or sa inyo naman. Ayan. So, again, take what resonates, leave what's not. If you love this reading, please give me a like, thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And kita-kits for more upcoming review. Bye!